What's up, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video here on the N-Ext DIY Lawn channel. Guys, we're back with yet another episode of What's in the Jug. Today, guys, we're talking all about the N-Ext D-Thatch product. Now, this product is exactly as it sounds. It is a liquid thatch digester for lawns. This product is designed to reduce thatch buildup in lawns that do not have the ability to be mechanically dethatched. This product will help compost thatch faster by encouraging microbial activity as well as increasing heat. The result of using this product is quickly digested thatch as well as organic matter that is captured and utilized as a food source for your plant. As far as application rates go for the D-Thatch product, you can apply it anywhere from 6 to 9 ounces per 1,000 square feet in the duration of the warmer months when temperatures are 78 degrees or higher. That's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let us know what you thought about it. If you've used the D-Thatch product and you have any fun stories you'd like to share on how you've used it to improve your endeavors of having the deepest, darkest, greenest, thickest lawn on the block, please leave those stories down below. Myself and everyone else at Greene County would love to hear that. So please leave that down below. Would love to hear those stories. With that, I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next What's in the Jug.